I'm Patty from Travels with Delaney, and Patrick and I are back here with some friends at Ikea, and we just love it here. And this place is awesome for finding things for small living, especially in a trailer. So we've been here before, we found some cool stuff. We thought we'd come by and see if there's anything else we could pick up for the trailer. So come along. For example, pillows are just great. We have something like this in a different color, but what's awesome about these things is they're covers and they unzip. And so you can just buy the cover and change them out and then have the insert inside, and then just different colors, change your style, change your color, you just get a different insert, and plus you can wash them. So we have some that are in green and they're just great. You get them in different sizes and different patterns, and we needed a spot at our couch to kick out our feet. There's no kick outs on it. The recliner area, yes, but this is not. So we found something like this, but something like here at Ikea, they got these cute little stools and you can store things in them. And this one is so soft, oh my gosh. If you need a little extra comfort on your dinette or your chairs that you have in your RV, sometimes we pick these things up. And Ikea has a ton of them, different colors, different assortments, cheap prices, different widths and styles, and so they're just great. And we have a couple that we put on our dinette because sometimes it's just not that comfy. So, but yeah, this is another great thing to do for your RV. Besides great products that we just love from Ikea, we just also really enjoy how they set up areas so you can see how they've set up the product, how they display it, because sometimes I just need a little inspiration. The food storage containers here are just awesome. We use them in our cabin and in our trailer. They don't take up a lot of space. They're easy to store, easy to wash up and clean, and they last forever, so goodbye. I just love Ikea pillows, especially this one. And I'm probably butchering the name, but it's a Skogsfraken. And you can get it in queen or king. You can get it in what they call this high or low. I accidentally got the low one, it's for a stomach sleeper. And I really wanted the high one for a side sleeper because the stomach one, there's not much to it, but I really like the feel of this one. These duvet inserts or comforter sets, whatever you want to call them, they are just awesome. And we have so many. We have some that you can get them in different thickness for different like times of the year, like if you want more heavy or lighter weight, or you can get with warmth, I guess, value. And so they always have so many colors, as you can see, and arrangements, and you can change them out and get different types that you want and different colors you want, and it's just awesome. They have such a cool arrangement of different things here. Isn't this one just gorgeous? Look at that one. Oh, it's pretty. Oh wow, that's soft. If we weren't selling, this would go in the cabin. I like this one. This would look great in our cabin, but it is so soft. It's a comforter set. The bath mats are just wonderful. We have them at home, we have them in our trailer, and they just last. They wash up so nice, and they just do so well absorbing the water when you step out of the shower, and it just feels good under your feet. So, and ours just hangs easily over the shower door. A really nice little bath mat. The towels here at Ikea are really nice. So this is an example of one. This is a hand towel that you can have, but what's neat about them is they have the little hooks on them. And ours are quilted like this, and so you can hang them and they dry well in the trailer with that little hook. And even at home, we have them. So you can get them towels, hand towels, washcloths. They're just really nice to have. Check out all the pillows. Like I said before, Ikea just has tons of choices, tons of colors, tons of pillows. Look at them all. They're actually very pretty. Blanket. This is my new friend. Check out all the blankets, guys. They are just so many colors, so many choices, so many thicknesses, so many styles. You're bound to find something you like here. Parklets are awesome. These storage bins, when they're undone here, you can load them up. We usually put like our bedding, extra bedding for the trailer, or towels, or even like if we go to Florida in the winter, we have our winter clothes in there, and they're only $1.99 a piece. How can you beat that? And so they're just awesome to store, keep the dust off. I'm not really recommending this for the RV, but when I saw this as a Disney fan, this looks like Cogsworth. Cogsworth, is that you? It's super cute. Who doesn't like bringing a little outdoor life into your trailer? And I love plants, but sometimes plants don't like me, and these are great for me because I can't kill them, as Patrick says. But they're great because you can buy the cute little planter to put them in. And isn't that just super cute? And they have different sizes. We even have some of these that we've had a long time over here, these little guys. And they're great because you can just put a little tacky, as they call it, in the bottom, and I stick them to the shelf, and they stay put, and they always look nice and green. If you don't kill plants like I do, and you prefer the real kind, they do have real plants here every now and then, different varieties. And right now we're in the holiday season, and of course you got your succulents and your orchids and your poinsettias, and yeah. So they always have a full range of real plants. And it seems like in an RV, there's never enough seating when you have company over. So these things look like they'd just be awesome. They're stackable, and they come in different colors, and they're $4.99 a piece, and they're easy to store away. And you can even get cushions to fit on the top, so you got a comfy tushy. Storage cubes, Ikea has tons of them in cloth and in this really awesome kind of rattan style, and different pricing. And then they even have like these cool, if you have the space, but if not, to put them in. But yeah, we have some of these in cloth that we put above our sofa in the RV to hold things in there, and they're just stylish and fun. If you need something like this, and what is this? Well, it's actually storage inserts for your chest of drawers if you have any areas that you need. And what's cool about them, and they got them attached here, but you can take them apart and use them, I would think, like for me, like my makeup and different things in the bathroom, and to keep things contained and organized. So I'm all for that. So, and a box set of 6 is $6.99. Can't beat that. We need her because we have legs already. I named him Legs. And pistachios. There's way too much testosterone in the trailer. We need another girl, don't you think? And speaking of Christmas, if you want to decorate your trailer like we do at Christmas time, they have so many cool things that fit in your rig at a good price. All right, everybody, so there you have it. The things that we've picked out today on our journey through Ikea. There's no way I could have put on everything that we love and think would be cool to have. So hopefully you enjoyed our little time here and enjoyed our little fun that we had today, and hopefully see you next time. See you on down the road. Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.